What's going on, fam? It's X. Let's play some Vainglory. I haven't played this in a while, so let's go for a troll build today. We're gonna choose a character and choose all one type of weapon and see how we do. So let's get into it. See who we get matched up with. How are you guys doing, by the way? I'm doing good. I just got off of work. You know, I wish I could do this full time as a job. That would be freaking awesome. But if you want me to do this full time as a job, find some more people, tell them to subscribe, and maybe it can become a reality. I don't know. Oh, got it set. Let's do this. How about Ringo? Troll build on Ringo. Let's do weapon lane. Okay, cool. Ooh, that's a new Jewel outfit. That's cool. Okay, Red Lantern over there. She got a dog. Look at that. Good gracious. I don't know who's drawing these things, but dog. So we're gonna go all what's it called? Tornado trigger. So we'll see if we can get all tornado triggers. Start with shooter.
The battle for the Halcyon
Oh,
Fold
the other one,
has
let's go.
begun.
What, over there? Are you sure?
Good luck.
Wait, I see 3 of them. Shoot all 3. Whoops! Almost fell. I'm good. I can do this all Is there a point to all this? I'll take a chance.
Try to heal up. Woo!
You know, shooting is some thirsty work. Hurry! I gotta get back to the undersprawl. Wait, let me take a quick sip. Well, it has to be done.
We get a gank.
I can do this all day.
Good job, Bertha. Appreciate your help. Which means they're probably getting ready to
Hurry!
come up
I gotta
and hit
get back
me
to the
if I'm wrong.
undersprawl.
Yep, that's all it. Damn. Why did I not back up? Ugh. I knew it. I said it, and it happened. As soon as I said it. But,
This is a sure shot.
key to success is vision, guys. You gotta put the scout traps down. Otherwise, I mean, you don't know they're coming. I should have did that from the get-go. I'll do that now.
Mining has begun.
Wait, I see 3 of them. Yeah, I'll just shoot all 3. Can't we shoot something? What? I most certainly am sober. Let's go shoot some stuff.
And drop that right there on edit.
Might as well
No! Are you serious? I was running away! That's some boo-boo. At least I didn't waste the scout trap. Let's see what I can get. Go ahead and get another one. Another one does, another one does, another one does.
What,
And
over there?
run away.
Are you sure?
Freaking Koala Queen is giving me some junk. You gotta back up. You better back up. You're gonna die. Hold up. Let me help you.
6 bullseye. I don't miss.
How, Sway?
Enemies
How?
aggressive.
Oh my god. I'm just feeding them at this point. This is some crap. Alright. They got him. They can kill him.
Hero killed.
You got it. You got it. Keep going. There you go. Boom. Good job, bro.
Whoops, almost fell.
Enemy shut down.
I'm good.
Thanks for picking up my freaking crap. Dude. 1 in 3. That's terrible. Terrible, terrible.
Wait, let me take a quick sip. This is a sure shot.
Gold mine is almost full.
The red button. Oh my gosh. My health is so low, dude. Here's the first tornado trigger. It's 1.
What? I most certainly am sober. Let's go shoot some.
I'm coming. I'll just get there. Hide in this bush for a second. Baby. Oh my gosh! What the heck, man?
Allied
Very frustrating. I am not doing good, guys. I haven't played in a while. I don't know. I'm getting rusty. The team's probably like, what the heck is this guy doing?
Oh, I can't wait.
Score 5 and 5. Yeah, all 5 kills are from me. That's just some boo-boo.
Enemy team stole a minion mine. Your minions have been reset.
Wait, I see 3 of them. Nah, I'll shoot all 3. Oh.
Come on, we got it.
Tin cans.
Enemy hero
There?
killed. Ally is impressive.
I don't have enough for ult. Can I get him? There you go. Slow him down. That should be enough. I see him. Right there. But up, you're gonna die. Woo!
Wait.
Snuck in for that one. Oh my gosh. I got a dick hair of life. Oh, gotta back up.
Allied turret destroyed.
Died. You can get him. No, you can't.
Ally is impressive.
Not bad, guys. Just like push back.
Can't we shoot something?
Your team captured
I gotta
one of
push
3
back
minion
this
mines.
freaking lane.
Allied minions are now
They got a
stronger.
turret, and I've done no damage on that one. I haven't been able to get there. They've been 2v1ing me. And I've been sucking, so that's another thing.
I can do this all day. Is there a point in all this?
All day, man. Freaking passive all day. Oh.
Allied hero killed. Ally shut down.
What's I can do?
You know, shooting is some thirsty work. By the way, the gun.
They are serious. Ooh. What's happening?
Enemy team stole a minion mine. Your minions have been reset.
Six through the bullseye.
I'm so slow. Let's go.
Enemy hero killed. Allied hero killed. Enemy hero killed.
What, over there? Are you sure? Wait, I see 3 of them. Nah, I'll just shoot all 3.
bull. Tried to go help my dude. Instead, I ended up feeding.
What? I most certainly am sober.
Enemy team collected from gold mine.
Is there a point to all this? I can do this all day.
And no mana.
This brew's making me
Whatever you want
belch
to call it.
flame. Hey, use that.
What the heck? I was in the bush.
Your team captured one of 2 minion mines. Allied minions are now stronger.
Wait, let me take a quick sip. Oh, I can't. Six through the bullseye.
Oh, don't hit it. Watch out. Don't hit me.
Allied turret destroyed.
It's hard, troll billing. Building. What's billing?
What, over there? Are you sure?
Enemy team stole a minion mine.
Might as
Your
well be
minions
shooting
have been
tin.
reset.
Yeah, attack's beat down.
Your team captured one of 2 minion mines. Allied minions are now stronger. Allied hero killed.
I have no clue.
This is a sure shot.
Oh my gosh. All crystals. Pick that up.
thirsty, won't he? This brew's making me belch flame. Hey, use that.
Enemy hero killed. Ally is unbeatable.
Wait, let me take a quick sip.
Why did I do that?
Hurry! I gotta get back to the undersprawl. I don't miss.
Enemy turret destroyed.
Is there a point to all this?
I freaking blew up. Oh my gosh, with the jukes. She was doing fine for a little bit. Let's build another one. I gotta build something with, we're not doing good. I was gonna do all troll, but, no. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna just keep going. Let's just keep doing it. I was gonna get off, but, nah.
Allied hero killed.
We'll just keep going with all the freaking
Ally
tornado
shut down.
triggers. We're gonna lose so bad.
Let me catch my breath. Might as well be shooting potato gas.
Enemy is impressive. Enemy team unleashed the Kraken.
We're so dead. We're so dead, yo. There's no way.
Enemy hero killed.
Do no damage.
Enemy hero
Oh, I
killed.
can't.
Allied hero killed. Allied turret destroyed.
Wait, I see three of them.
Oh, that's enough for my third tornado trigger. Do another one.
What, over there? Are you
I'm like,
sure?
what the heck is this guy doing? I can't go alone anywhere. I'm so weak. Oh my dear goodness. That hurt.
Enemy hero.
My team is carrying me like crazy right now.
Allied hero killed.
Wow, he's so good. I had to leave before the others come back. We got time.
By the way,
See if I can be of any nuisance. Oh, shoot.
hurry! I gotta get back to the undersprawl.
You guys take the Kraken right now?
Shut down. Allies
Get another lucky strike. Yes! They are really carrying this team. I've died 11 times. Holy cow.
Your team has unleashed the Kraken.
If we win this, wow. It's all because of Artem, Duke 911.
Your team captured the second minion mine. Allied minions are now at maximum strength. Enemy turret destroyed.
Look at my dumb self. All the way back here. Oh shoot. Better watch out. Look at that crap. Are you serious? Could have hit me.
Zero kill. Enemy turret destroyed. Turret destroyed.
Yes!
Oh,
Enemy turret destroyed.
That's it! That's it! One more! Yes! Are you serious? Yo, hats off to you guys. Oh, dang, that was funny, yo. Oh, let me get some light on your boy. Hold up. Hold up, hold up. How's that? A little better. But yo, there you have it. Troll build with Ringo, all tornado triggers and boots. I hope you guys liked that. It was an utter fail on my part, but it was kind of fun. You guys stay classy, not trashy. I'll see you in the next video. Gambate. Peace.